So I've got a storage deal that goes under my back seat that I haven't opened yet for whatever reason. I don't know. I've had it for like a month now and I just haven't gotten around to putting it in. And you know how, brands and shit will always, they're always like, hey, how'd we do? Send us a review. Let us know how you like it. Well, this isn't sponsored. Get that out of the way real quick, but I bought a Rough Country underseat storage for the Silver Dildo, which is the 2018 Chevy that I have. I'm going to put it in today and let you guys know what I think, and this is just an honest review and probably my first, I don't know, I say that all the time, it's going to be my first YouTube video, but this one might actually be my first YouTube video, so we'll see what happens. Come along. Oh, so by the way, one of the reasons I'm doing this is because I want to keep a sterile cab. And when I say sterile cab, I don't mean like hospital clean sterilization. I mean that everything in the cab is secure and can't bounce around. Why is that important? Well, I'll tell you why that's important, because I've been on a couple different fire departments. I've seen some pretty nasty wrecks. One wreck I saw, everybody in the wreck was fine except for one person, and that person was not fine because they had their face smashed in by a boat motor that was in the cab with them. So obviously don't have a boat motor in your cab with you. It's just not going to end well for anybody. Put those things in the back. Also, I have a toolbox, and honestly, like, I like the idea of having a toolbox better than I like having a toolbox. I'm pretty sure everything I keep in the toolbox that I really need is going to be able to be kept in this underseat storage. So, let's go check it out. This is basically it. Nothing too crazy. Come with, nonsense instructions, couple dividers. I don't think it's going to be too hard to figure out how. Hey, look at that. Never had a single lesson. Dividers are in. I've got, that's actually, so one of the things I was worried about when I got this thing was that if this stuff is going to be like super slick, like I didn't want this crap to be so slick that everything's going to be like sliding around in it. Good job so far on that, Rough Country. Via the instructions, this goes in this here hole in a manner such that when you run it through here, this is going away from, also, you don't want your straps twisted, but anyway, there's that. That's simple enough. I'm gonna go put it in and we'll see what we get into. Okay, so here we are in easy peasy. So this basically goes back around here behind the frame of the seat. See that bracket basically? It's gonna go around that. This strap, that hole, around that. Hopefully I don't knock my camera over because this thing is sitting inside. Aha! Alright. So that's basically it. I'm gonna double check this. And I put it right through where it's said to go. So yeah, I mean it's not bad shape. See that? Not too bad. And then the car seat actually goes there, and you can see why I have a seat cover for the car seat, because there is formula all over it. So one thing I do in the back seat is I use this for a changing table a lot. So when I've got my kid and we've got a dirty butt, I would always just like flip the seat up, because the seat's slanted, obviously. So yeah, slanted changing table is harder to change a diaper on than a flat one is. And the one good thing about having the back seat empty all the time was that this was a perfectly flat place to change a diaper. Overall, I think this thing's going to serve its purpose for what I want it to do. One thing I would do if I were, rough country, if you do watch this video, one thing I would consider is maybe adding another tie down to it so it doesn't wiggle. It doesn't really wiggle with the seats down that much, but I mean, so far so good. I think I would say, yeah, I'm happy with this. Probably 4.5 out of 5. I think if it had both, if it had 2 tie downs instead of 1, I would do 5 stars on it. But this thing's basically going to serve its purpose for keeping everything I need in the cab under the seat, where it can't bounce around or do anything like that, and it's out of the way, and I don't have to carry a toolbox in the back of my pickup anymore. If you found the video useful, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you have one of these, leave a comment as well so you can tell other people what they think. That way, if somebody's thinking about buying one of these and you've got a little bit more experience with it, give your input below so we can share some knowledge and help people make good decisions. Consider subscribing. I don't know what all my videos are going to be about. Like I said, this is the first one, and I think it's actually going to get uploaded. So I'm going to do like dad stuff and home improvement stuff and just product reviews on stuff I use. Anyway, my opinion is not for sale, so whatever product reviews I'm going to do is going to be mostly stuff that I paid for. I'm not looking for sponsorships. I'm not looking for anything. Really, I just want to try to be as helpful as possible. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Try to do more stuff like this in the future. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Blue shop towels are the ultimate shop towels. Never leave home without a blue shop towel. I don't know why I'm still sitting out here talking to you guys. It's done. It's over. I should go home. I am home. I should go back inside. You should go home. Go do something productive. Being productive is fun. This is me being productive. It's one of the things I like about YouTube, is it actually takes effort to do stuff. Like, you actually have to you don't have to, but putting some forethought into what you're going to talk about and actually producing a video about it takes a little more effort than putting out something stupid like a bullshit tweet of your opinion. I'm just giving my bullshit opinion over a video. Bye.